Have you ever wondered how to make money while you sleep? Welcome to the world of passive income, a financial strategy that allows you to earn without actively working on it. Think of it as a river that flows whether you're there to watch it or not. It's money that's earned from investments, business ventures, or other enterprises where you're not actively involved. Now don't be fooled. Passive income isn't a magical get-rich-quick scheme. Rather, it's about building sustainable income streams over time. It's about planting seeds today to enjoy the fruits tomorrow. Whether it's investing in real estate, creating a blog, or developing an online course, these seeds can sprout into a steady flow of income, freeing you up to focus on what you truly love. Remember, creating passive income takes time and effort, but the rewards can be well worth it. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of passive income. Before you can start earning passive income, you need to identify what you're good at. Let's dive into this. We all have unique abilities, knowledge, and assets that can be turned into income-generating machines. It's all about self-assessment. What skills do you have? Maybe you're a wizard in the kitchen, or perhaps you're a coding genius. Your talents are a gold mine, ready to be explored. Now let's talk about assets. An asset isn't just a large bank account, it's anything you own that can potentially generate income. Do you have a spare room in your house, or perhaps some tools you rarely use? These are assets that can be monetized. Remember, it's not about creating something new, it's about leveraging what you already have. Your knowledge, your skills, your assets, they're all tools in your passive income toolbox. Your skills and assets are your ticket to passive income. So, make the most of what you already have. Content creation is a powerful way to earn passive income. In the digital age, content is king, and there's a kingdom of platforms waiting for your unique voice and perspective. Let's explore a few. First up, we have YouTube. With over 2 billion logged-in monthly users, your potential audience is vast. You could start a cooking channel, share travel vlogs, or even teach people how to play the guitar. The key is to find a niche that you're passionate about, and then consistently create engaging content for it. Over time, as your subscriber count grows, so too can your ad revenue. Next, consider starting a blog. If you love writing and have a topic you're passionate about, blogging can be a great way to build an audience and earn income. You might write about personal finance, review tech gadgets, or share your gardening tips. With a blog, you can earn through ad revenue, sponsored posts, or even by selling your own products or services. Podcasting is another avenue for content creation. If you have a knack for storytelling or enjoy deep dive conversations on specific topics, a podcast could be your ticket to passive income. You can monetize through sponsorships, listener donations, or by selling related products or services. Lastly, let's talk about creating digital products. This could be anything from an ebook on how to start a small business, to a course on digital photography, or even printable planner templates. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once, but can sell them over and over again, which is the essence of passive income. Regardless of the platform you choose, remember this. Content creation is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and most importantly, patience. But the potential rewards are significant. The key is to create content that provides value to your audience. So, whether you're sharing your experiences through a vlog, imparting wisdom in a blog, sparking conversation in a podcast, or offering a solution through a digital product, you're adding value to the lives of your audience, and in return you can build a sustainable stream of passive income. Creating valuable content consistently can help you build a loyal audience and generate passive income. Another great way to earn passive income is through affiliate marketing. This is a strategy where you promote a product or service and earn a commission for every purchase made through your unique affiliate link. It's essentially a way of earning money by recommending products you love or find useful. So how does it work? You start by joining an affiliate program. There are many out there, from large retail companies to small independent businesses. Once you're part of the program, you'll receive a unique link that tracks any sales made through your promotions. You then share this link within your content, whether it's a blog post, a social media update, or even a podcast episode. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it doesn't require a huge upfront investment. It's about leveraging your platform and audience to earn passive income. With affiliate marketing, you can earn income by simply sharing products you love with others. Have you ever thought about selling products without holding any inventory? Let's delve into two business models that allow you to do just that: dropshipping and print on demand. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product using the dropshipping model, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. This means the seller doesn't have to handle the product directly. The biggest benefit of dropshipping is you don't need to tie up your cash in inventory. With an e-commerce platform, a laptop, and a good internet connection, you can run a dropshipping business from anywhere in the world. Print on demand, on the other hand, is a process where you work with a supplier to customize white-label products like t-shirts or mugs with your own designs to sell them on a per-order basis under your own brand. This means you don't pay for the product until after you've actually sold it, so there's no need to buy in bulk or hold any inventory yourself. Both dropshipping and print on demand let you start a business with little to no upfront capital. They also eliminate the risk of buying inventory that might not sell. Plus, because these products are usually shipped directly from the supplier, you don't have to worry about packaging or shipping products yourself. However, with these benefits comes competition. Success in both dropshipping and print on demand requires finding a unique product or niche, building a brand, and providing exceptional customer service. And remember, while both dropshipping and print on demand can offer a good return, they're not get-rich-quick schemes. In conclusion, whether you're an artist looking to sell custom prints or a savvy marketer ready to start your own e-commerce store, dropshipping and print on demand offer opportunities to create a business with minimal risk and scalable growth. Dropshipping and print on demand can be a profitable way to earn passive income if done right. Did you know you can earn passive income from assets you already own? That's right, my friends. Let's delve into the world of renting out assets. It's possible you have a spare room, maybe even an entire property sitting idle. Why not put it to work? Platforms like Airbnb make it easy to turn your space into a revenue generator. You set the rules, the prices, and availability. But don't stop with property. You might have equipment or tools that you don't use regularly, like a high-quality camera, a power drill, or a bicycle. These can be rented out to those who need them temporarily. Websites like Fat Llama are perfect for this. And here's a thought. Ever considered renting out your parking space? In city centers where parking is at a premium, your unused parking spot could be a gold mine. So, take a good look around. You might be sitting on an untapped income source. Renting out your unused assets can provide a steady stream of passive income. Investing can be a powerful tool for generating passive income. Let's delve into two popular investment vehicles: dividend-paying stocks and real estate investment trusts, better known as REITs. These options can offer a steady stream of income over time, making them a cornerstone of many successful passive income strategies. First, let's talk about dividend-paying stocks. When you invest in a company's stock, you're buying a piece of that business. Some companies, particularly those that are well-established and profitable, reward their shareholders by distributing a portion of their earnings in the form of dividends. These dividends are typically paid out quarterly and can provide a regular income stream, even if the stock's price doesn't move much. However, investing in dividend stocks isn't without its risks. Companies can cut or eliminate their dividends if they face financial difficulties. Therefore, it's crucial to research and choose your investments wisely. Look for companies with a strong track record of paying dividends and a stable financial footing. Now let's shift gears to REITs. These are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate. Just like dividend-paying stocks, REITs distribute a significant portion of their income to shareholders in the form of dividends. They offer a way for individual investors to benefit from real estate income without the need to buy, manage, or finance properties themselves. REITs can be a great way to diversify your investment portfolio, and they often provide higher dividends than other types of stocks. However, like all investments, they come with their own set of risks. Real estate markets can be volatile, and REITs are subject to both market and specific property risks. The key takeaway here is that both dividend stocks and REITs can be effective tools for generating passive income. However, it's essential to do your homework and understand the risks associated with each investment. Every investor's situation is unique, so consider consulting with a financial advisor to make the best decisions for your financial future. Investing wisely can help you build wealth and generate passive income over the long term. Peer-to-peer lending is another way to generate passive income. This method involves lending money to individuals or small businesses over the internet through online platforms that match lenders directly with borrowers. Imagine it as a kind of digital marketplace for loans, cutting out the traditional financial institutions. The beauty of peer-to-peer lending is the ability to earn a higher rate of return compared to traditional savings and investment products. Lenders can set their own interest rates, or they can be set by the platform based on the borrower's credit score and the loan length. But remember, with potentially higher returns comes higher risk. There's always the chance that a borrower may default on their loan, causing you to lose your investment. That's why it's important to diversify your lending portfolio, spreading your investment across multiple loans to mitigate risk. Peer-to-peer lending can be a profitable way to earn passive income if done responsibly. Creating digital products is a fantastic way to earn passive income. Now let's delve into the process of crafting and selling digital products such as ebooks, templates, or digital art. We live in a digital age where information is at our fingertips, and what better way to leverage this than by creating digital products? First, consider what type of digital product you want to create. Are you a whiz at Photoshop? Perhaps creating digital art or design templates is your calling, or maybe you're a subject matter expert in a particular field. Then writing an ebook could be the perfect avenue for you. The key is to play to your strengths and create a product that not only appeals to your target audience but also showcases your skills and expertise. The creation process can be as simple or as complex as you want it to be. For instance, writing an ebook might involve outlining your content, writing the chapters, editing and formatting for ebook formats. On the other hand, creating a design template might involve conceptualizing the design, creating the elements, and packaging it in a user-friendly format. Once your product is ready, it's time to market it. This could mean setting up a website or using existing platforms like Amazon for ebooks or Etsy for digital art and templates. Remember, the key to successful marketing is understanding your audience and tailoring your marketing strategies to meet their needs and preferences. But how do you price your digital product? Well, that's a bit of an art in itself. You'll need to consider factors like the cost of your time and resources, the perceived value of your product, and what the market is willing to pay. It's a delicate balance, but with a bit of research and experimentation, you can find a price point that works for both you and your customers. And there you have it. Creating digital products can be a rewarding venture both creatively and financially. It allows you to monetize your skills and knowledge while also providing valuable content or resources to your audience. With digital products, you can earn income while sharing your knowledge and creativity with the world. Building passive income is not just about strategies and techniques, it's also about mindset and persistence. It's easy to get caught up in the allure of passive income and overlook the hard work and dedication it demands. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a journey of financial independence that's paved with time, effort, and perseverance. Consider this. Every successful entrepreneur or investor you admire didn't reach their position overnight. They had to weather storms of failure, rejection, and self-doubt. But what set them apart was their unwavering mindset and relentless persistence. They didn't stop at the first sign of trouble. They didn't give up when things didn't go according to plan. Instead, they learned from their mistakes, adapted their strategies, and kept moving forward. In the realm of passive income, you're bound to face setbacks. Perhaps your first ebook doesn't sell as well as you'd hoped, or your YouTube channel doesn't attract the viewership you'd envisioned. These are not signs of failure, but rather opportunities for growth and learning. They're stepping stones on your path to financial independence. And so it's crucial to maintain a growth mindset. The belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through hard work, smart strategies, and input from others. It's about embracing challenges, persisting in the face of setbacks, seeing effort as a path to mastery, and learning from criticism. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your empire of passive income. It takes time and consistency. It's about laying one brick at a time, and before you know it, you'll have built a fortress of sustainable income streams. So, stay patient, stay focused, keep learning, keep improving, and keep pushing forward, even when the going gets tough. And most importantly, believe in yourself and your capabilities. After all, the most successful people are not those who are the smartest or the most talented, but those who are the most persistent. With the right mindset and persistence, you can build sustainable passive income streams and achieve your financial goals.